Hello and welcome back to the NOSVW channel. Today's video is on the restoration of the 1977 Westfalia. As you can see, we've got most of the parts back on now, wipers, number plates, etc. Headlights are in. Just trying to get it to a stage when we can MOT it really. There's some bits missing still, obviously the side windows. We're waiting for some brand new ones from Schofield's, but the seats are in, seat belts. Seats were upholstered by Leon Concept Pop Tops. I've obviously covered them in plastic to protect them until we finished our work on it. Rear bumper's missing. We're just waiting for the tow bar to come back from the powder coating shop, but the number plates are on, all the lights work, horns on it, all the electrics work. I've got the headlights in. They need to be set up on the beam tester when the MOT is done. Yeah, I really feel like I'm getting somewhere now on it. I've done a lot of work on the underside, which I should now show you. Right, let's start from the front. As you can see, the pedal pan's back on. I've greased all the gear linkage, etc. that we replaced earlier, and the gear stick, so that's all nice and covered up. As you can see, the underside's all been waxed, so it's in very good condition, to be honest. It's pretty much original. It didn't have much restoration work underneath, really. It just had some outer panels replaced. I've gone through the brakes, replaced the shocks, placed all the brake pipes, put new pads in it. All the tie rods in that are really good condition. There's no play at all in that. The mass cylinder's, not leaking. It's in good condition. Let's go to the back. As you can see, new CV joints, powder coated arms, brake pipes have been all replaced, handbrake cables, new shock absorbers, new drums, all new shoes, cylinders. Really gone through. So hopefully, fingers crossed, the MOT should fly through. Then it's just a few little finishing bits and then it's out of my workshop. Hooray! There we go. Thanks for watching the videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.